Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really quick and simple chicken wraps for Taco Tuesday. Stay tuned. So first I started with some clean chicken. I pat dried it after I cleaned it and placed it in plastic. Now I'm just going to place it in a Ziploc bag and we're going to add a little olive oil. Now for this purpose, you want to have your chicken breast flattened out. Now the olive oil helps so you don't tear your chicken too much. So we're going to take all the air out and we're just going to mash it down. You can use a cup, or if you have an actual meat masher, then hey, use that. So I'm just banging it with my hand to flatten it out some, and then after that, I'm going to go ahead and season it in the bag. Hey, it's so quick, easy, great cleanup, So next I'm going to add my beautiful green seasoning. I recommend this for like every recipe. It's so good. And I'm just going to mix it, and then we're going to refrigerate this and let it marinate for just about 30 minutes to an hour. So I preheated my grill. You can use a cast iron, or you can bake it, or air fry it, whatever is easier for you. So we're going to grill it because, baby, we like to grill on Taco Tuesdays, okay? So I placed my chicken on the grill. Three to 4 minutes passed. I went ahead and flipped it. So I watch it because, like I said, I like it to stay juicy. As you can see, look at that. Do you see the juice popping on the chicken? Keep it moist, y'all. Now, as you can see, I created this really good sauce. This is my spicy mayo sauce. So easy. I will have all my ingredients listed down below in the description box, of course. I'm just toasting my naan bread. This is like an Indian style bread, I believe. This is my new Taco Tuesday. So it's basically, they call it a wrap, but I just call it chicken tacos. I'm just going to get my little grill marks. I'm going to place so much cheese on it. Of course, I'm a cheese lover. This is optional. Do what you do. Make it yours. So look at my chicken, juicy, done. I'm just going to chop up this chicken. Like I said, a quick, easy recipe for Taco Tuesday. Now I'm just going to place my chicken on top of my wraps after my cheese melted. And then I'm going to add that delicious sauce that makes it pop. And a little bit pizzazz of cilantro. Hey, if you decide to make it, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.